Okay, so this is the Porsche Boxster 981. The front center grille comes off if you scrape the bottom of the bumper, and usually to put it back in you have to remove the whole bumper. But to save some time, I got 50-pound fishing line, tied it in loops, and if you hook the lines through that hook and then pull it through this clip here and loop it through, you can pull it to lock. Oh shit, it broke. Oh, that didn't get hooked. I'm gonna redo that one. I think this one came in too. You'll pull on it until you hear a click. Next one. Pull. Can you help me? That's fine. Pull. Okay, I think that's good. This one. Okay. All right.